What is up, team? Chuck with Traders War Room, and I'm back at you with another video. This is your video of the day. Are we in a hot market or a fake market, man? We're going to talk about that, and I got a lot of charts and things of that nature to discuss. But right now, I need you to hit that like, share, and subscribe button. I need you to come along with us on the journey. Check the description tab. All of the tools and tidbits to make you a more successful trader, and everything we offer as products and services are right there at the fingertips. Now, if that sounds good and you're ready to rock it with us, then all I got to say to you is follow me. Let's go to war. All right, this is the legal disclaimer. This is not financial advice. This is for entertainment and education only. You're responsible for every decision you make. Have fun, use caution, and always go to war. Traders War Room website is live now. Listen, this is transitioning to be our one-stop shop for everything products and services, okay? So make sure you come take a look at what we got on offer. We're constantly updating it, constantly refining it, making it better and better every single time. So check it out often, and thank you. And don't forget to come check us out on our flagship, okay? The Traders War Room Discord. Listen, the true one-stop shop for everything stock-related, market-related, investing-related, no matter whether you're a beginner or advanced. We got the real-time buy and sell alerts. We got the live trading, Zoom, one-on-one mentoring. We got free and paid services. So we got something for everybody, guys. The true one-stop shop, genuine place that people are coming to connect and grow, learn, and share together. So come check us out today. You won't be disappointed. Okay, here's how your market closed last night, and we're seeing some action, going on in pre-market. So we'll see how the market opens. These were your hot tickers to watch yesterday. So a lot of volume pushed into AT&T, AMC saw some pops, SPY, AMD, Ford, TQQQ, and SoFi. We're seeing a lot of things. Your top winners were in green, and your top losers were in red. Here's how your sector performance was. You can see where the money's flowing in and the money flowing out. Red is out, green is in. Energy was the big sector with the money push, and utilities was a big sector with the money sell. Here was another representation of your sector performance. You can see the green were the ones that were killing it. The red were the ones that were losing it. And you see that we saw a bunch of pops, man. We saw some Google pop. We saw some Facebook pop. We saw some Apple originally pop, and then it cooled down and then kind of spun back up. So definitely it will be interesting to come see what we got. I want you to look at that financial sector, though. Green, almost the bright green across the board. So we're definitely paying attention to those. And here's your big ticket calls versus put premiums, okay? Tesla, they're always in there, okay? A lot of people bullish on Tesla. SPY headed towards the bearish side. You definitely got some Apple in there going some green. You got some Amazon looking red because they had such a big push, and, so on and so forth. So definitely this gives you a good idea of where the money went as far as calls and puts are concerned. Definitely paying attention to the big volume on those ones, because that'll give a lot of buying or selling pressure on that particular stock when we get into the bell this morning. So moving into earning beats, underwhelmed Wall Street. Now listen, okay, I want to bring up PayPal on this one, all right? So PayPal, they missed earnings by like 0.01 or something like that, okay? They were expecting like a 0.12 increase, and they hit like a 0.1 increase on their EPS. Something ridiculous, okay? And Wall Street just absolutely annihilated them, man. We're talking, they went down, I saw some places like 25% because they missed revenue. They were expecting a lot more, and the ones that aren't expecting or meeting that expectation of going extremely above EPS or estimates, they're getting destroyed, okay? Pushing them back down to a level that they think that they should be at if they can't meet the forward progress moving forward. So keep that in mind when you're looking at earning trades, specifically on the hot stocks that have been inflated for a while. And I thought this was interesting because this kind of goes in with our airlines plus our communication services. So they think the 5G interface issues will linger for a while. Now, it's likely that years permanently address airplane interference issues caused by the deployment of 5G wireless in the C-band group representing major U.S. passenger and cargo carriers will tell U.S. lawmakers this on Thursday. So we should see some volatility moving into Thursday, specifically on those communication brands. But I do want to bring this up, okay? Because here lies one of the things, like, who's the next one that can come in with the savior to this particular plan? Is this a stepping stone for like an Apple to step in and be like, you know what, we got this covered and we're king and we're gonna roll? Or is this something where, like, say, a Nokia can come in that's been on the back burners for years? No one's heard of Nokia for a minute since they had that one phone back in the 90s that had Snake on it, right? Is this the time where they can come in and be like, you know what, guys, this 5G, we got this covered. How about this? We already have the patents in place. We already have this in place. Let us run with this thing, try it out, and let's go back to being the king like we used to be. So pay attention to that type of stuff, man. There's some things being worked out here, and I think we're going to have someone coming to be the savior catch-all that has a plan moving forward. All right, moving right into stocks, man. BAC, definitely bullish on BAC. I want to see this pop to $47 and beyond. I think we can get there, okay? Definitely, we have a call on this one, a $47 call. I'd like to see beyond because I'd like to get deep into money on our particular trade and kill this one that we've been waiting for a minute on. Johnson Johnson kind of doing a lingering thing. It's doing a little bounce effect, man. It's kind of playing in a certain area, okay? I do like it where it's at. I think we'll continue to bounce around here for a little bit, and I think that we're going to go up there and test that 174 area. Now, we have a $175 call, I believe. I don't know if we're going to get quite to that level as far as getting some buying pressure and some volume in, but I think we get close to it, okay? I like this moving forward. I think we're in a place to where people are interested in this stock, and we're going to start to see it bounce a little bit, and I think doing 174, I think we can meet that one. Apple, what can I say, man? Apple's king. We're down a little bit in after hours and stuff like that, but definitely Apple's one of those that you just can't bet it out, man. This is going to be a safe haven for people to invest and put their money in an unstable and volatile market, okay? So do I think we're going to hit 182.94 and surpass it? You know what? I do. I don't know how soon. I think we'll probably bounce around between this, 173, 175 area that we've been bouncing and stuff, and we'll kind of figure out where we want to go from here. But eventually we're going to break the chain and we're going to continue to go up. And I think Apple's one of those that people want this to succeed. They believe in this, that it's going to succeed, and it will succeed. All right, Snap, we got a big Snap trade. Looking forward to capitalizing here at the morning bell. So definitely paying attention, man. Snap, we got huge gaps. Remember, we had a huge gap from like 70 all the way down to, $20 and stuff like that. We're looking at like $28, something ridiculous. So I think we're at the bottom on Snap. Could we bounce around here for a little bit till investors decide where they want to go with this? Yeah, absolutely. But I think Snap is worth more than what it is, man. They got a lot of advertisement stuff. They got a lot of huge fan base with teenagers, man. People like Snap. They're using it all the time. So I think Snap's going to do fairly well, and I got big hopes on this. I hope we turn this into a green one in the morning. AT&T. Now, AT&T, it's been known to bounce around in certain areas for a long time, okay? It's been known as a stable stock, all right? So do I think it'll bounce around in this area for a while? Yeah, absolutely. Now, we got some buying pressure on it. We got some volume going to the buy side, so we could dramatically push up for a little bit, $25, $26. I'd love to see that. But do I think that we're going to see anything astronomical like this pushing into the 30s anytime soon? No, probably not. We're going to bounce around here at $24, $25, $26, figure out where we want to go. And then, until they figure out this 5G news, which it seems that, T and Verizon are taking kind of a mainstream on trying to figure out the thing, then it's going to decide what direction it wants to go. Now, speaking about that, I wanted to go into Nokia, okay? I'm telling you guys, man, don't sleep on Nokia, okay? It's cheap. They've been around forever. And look at their pipeline, okay? They got tons of contracts out there, tons of patents already in place for not just 6G, but like 7G and the Internet of Things. I mean, they're setting up shop to being able to step in, and they've been an established company for eons, okay? They got a track record and they're still going on. And guess what? Did you guys know that they have quietly been giving free phones to like T-Mobile people, okay? I went to the T-Mobile shop and they have a promotional phone that they're giving to people as a free line. Try this phone out with any 13 Pro Max or better purchase of the iPhone. keep that in mind. I want you guys to pay attention to that, okay? Because I got asked if I wanted this free phone and a line for my kid, and I looked at it and I was like, this is a Nokia phone. He said, yeah, they got a new, smartphone that they're pushing out. Why would they do that? I don't know, but definitely keep an eye on it. All right, in PayPal, man. PayPal took a dump. You can see it in the red up there in the after hours. Definitely was not the way I wanted to go, but I did a cheap lotto on it. Man, PayPal has hurt me multiple times, man, and I got vengeance on this particular stock. I will get you, PayPal. I promise you. I'm going to get a trade on you. You're going to go my direction, and I'm going to destroy you and push you straight to the moon, okay? But yesterday was not that one. I went the wrong direction. I went with a call. It was a lotto call. At first it was actually making some money, and then all of a sudden, boom, just a dramatic drop, 25%, and PayPal's down at the bottom. Now at this bottom, I think this might be a good area. I think you're going to see some buying pressure moving in today. I think investors are excited. They didn't miss it by that much. I think this is the area where we're going to start seeing some buying volume, and we'll start to continue our growth on up. All right, now let's get into some classes, man. Listen, in the year 2022, we want you to invest in yourself, okay? And we would like you to do that with our Zoom Traders War Room platform. All you got to do is go to the website. You go to the menu, you hit classes. You look at our upcoming classes, or you look at our historical classes, and then you click the purchase, man. $15 a pop. You're on and pop, and you get the link in your email. It's that easy, guys. So let's see what we got upcoming. All right. On Saturday, February 5th at 12 p.m. Central Standard Time, we have how to trade pattern breakouts. This class is going to give you an overview and a great understanding of patterns and which patterns to look for and how to get those dramatic pushes once the pattern breaks out of particular like rectangle boxes or out of the wedge or out of this and out of that. What direction is it going to go? We're going to teach you how to identify that direction and make the best probability guess that you can and catch these things before they've already started to run. So you get them from the ground floor up all the way straight to the moon. So definitely don't miss that. $15. You guys know, go to the website, look it up, purchase it there, and you get it in the email. And our next class, how to trade consistently for huge profits, win in any market, man. This is going to be Saturday, 12 February. Our subject matter expert is going to walk you through the process that he's been using for years to trade consistently, whether it's a bear market, a neutral market, a bull market. He has honed in his particular skill set and is going to teach you guys what to look for, what indicators to use, kind of the idea behind it, and also some of the little, secret squirrel stuff that the pro guys kind of think of, that us newer type of traders, we may not think of, that affects the market and the economics behind the marketplace as well. So this is definitely going to be a good class. You don't want to miss this one. Come check it out, the website, go to menu, go to classes, purchase your tickets in advance, and remember, all of our historical classes, you get the live link right then and there when you purchase in your email. All the upcoming classes, you're going to get the Zoom information so you can register and be put into the Zoom class, but you always get the recording of anything that you purchase here at Traders War Room, no matter what. So if you spend money, you spend $15 on a class, you're going to get the recording, even if you can't make the live presentation. All right, and we're getting to the end of the video. I want you guys to take advantage of our Traders War Room one-on-one mentoring session. Check the description, go to the website, hit us up on the email so that you guys can get some info on this, and we'll schedule you up and get you squared away with that one-on-one mentoring. If you need it, we got you covered. All right, guys, and that's the video, man. Come check us out at the Discord. I promise you, it is the true one-stop shop, no matter your experience level, beginner to advanced. We got something for everybody, and we want you over there. Everyone able to eat at our table. Now, listen, at Traders War Room, we look at the stock market like a war zone, stocks and sectors. Those are our battles. We're doing it together as a team. Attack, conquer, and destroy, and we're always, always, always going to war. Now, if that sounds good and you're ready to rock it with me, then all I got to say to you is follow me and let's go to war together.